Hey y'all, this is Presley Leisman, the program coordinator at Discover You, and today I will be walking you through a two-part video series, webinar, whatever you want to call it, of creating your profile and completing your application for the Student Conservation Association summer program, or as I'm going to refer to it as SCA, applications, things like that. But we're going to go on and jump in and get started. All new users are going to need to come to not a member yet. Click here. If you were an old user, like you started to apply last year or you did apply or anything like that, you're going to try this first. If that doesn't work, I'd recommend doing not a member yet, but I am going to just assume that most everybody is not a member. So we're going to click here and get started. So you're going to put your first and last name and your email, your age range, your phone number, and we do not have an application code. Okay, so once you've put your first, your last name, your email, age range, phone number, everything I just said, you are going to click this box saying you agree to their privacy policy. I know I said my name is Presley. I had to use a colleague's email because I already have an account and I couldn't create a new one to show you how to do this. But so once you have your information in, make sure you use a valid phone number. Again, we don't have an application code. You're going to hit continue. So see, it's creating my account. Important red blinking light. Do not click here. You are going to go to your email instead. So again, do not click this. This is not where you want to go. Instead, you're going to go to your email, and you should have received an email from recruiting@thesca.org. It comes pretty quickly. And so you'll see that your SCA username is your email that you use. So make sure that it's your normal email. And then you click here to create your password and to start your application. So we're going to click this link. Again, don't touch that. So this is the link that I created. It shows this is my correct email that I entered. I'm going to put a password. It's good. It matches. If you don't have a normal password that you use, make sure that you write this password down, put it in the notes on your phone, email it to yourself, and do something so you do not forget your password. Change password. And then now you are in to the application hub. So once you are here, this is where you are going to start your application, complete your application, and do all of those things that you need to apply. At this point, I'm going to end this video. I know it was short. I ran through it pretty quickly, but I hope you got the gist of it. I also will say that there is a document with step-by-step instructions attached to the SCA summer flow record in the student portal. So you can go on and find these instructions here if you find it more helpful to read along instead of listen and watch me do it. But again, that is setting up your account. Don't forget, you got to go to your email and follow that link that is going to be emailed to you. But yeah, so go on to the next video to watch me go through the application. Thanks for tuning in.